Hello guys, welcome to Cafe the World, and today we are going to talk about the signs that your Insta account has been hacked. And later in the video, we are going to tell you how to completely secure your Instagram from hackers. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. There are two situations here. The first one is when you're still able to access your Instagram account, and the second one is when the password has been changed. So first, let's talk about the signs that your Instagram account has been hacked. When you're suddenly seeing a lot of following in a lot of new unknown people, this means that the hacker has got access to your account and is doing all of these activities. The second one is when you are unable to log into your account. The third one is when you see some posts that you didn't write suddenly on your wall. And the fourth one is when your account is leaving comments or sharing posts that you didn't share.
Let's take a look at the first situation. If you can still log into your account, log in right now and immediately. Change your password and your email address. I insist on changing your email password too, because if your Insta was hacked, there is a high possibility that your email address was too. If you can't access your Instagram, that this means the attacker has changed the password and you have to start the reset process of your Instagram password.
So what you have to do is click forget at the home page. Enter the email associated with your account to reset the password. In case you are unable to access your email account, then report the incident to Insta as soon as possible. Fill out the form as shown below. Specify in the form that you have no longer access to your email account, and provide an alternate email that you do have access to. In case you do have access to the email account associated with your Instagram account, then just don't worry, relax, follow the suggestions that you should take to recover back your account. Now the question is how to prevent your Instagram from getting hacked. Hackers often get access to your social media account by hacking into victims' email account. Because of this, you need to make sure that you're using all protective measures available to keep your email account safe. This is all for this video guys. Hopefully you did enjoy it. This is Musab Abdullah, new member of Cafe the World, and we are going to post the videos together now. If you did enjoy watching this video, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, then put them in the comment section below. My name is Marvin Bhatt. Subscribe our channel and keep watching Cafe the World.